Just how dangerous is he?
Compared to what? The bubonic plague?
Welcome to Trailer Editing, topic of sound design. I'm Sean Garcia, and this is going to be our little section we're going to work on today. Important takeaways on this lesson: dope music cue, finding moments, rhythmic sound design. All right, let's get started. I already had arranged these to kind of go with the rhythm. We have the explosions, and then we have even his gasp, and then of course the gunshots. A way to play with that is to cut out the music to kind of make it shine a bit more. So what we're gonna do is this. So it sounds pretty naked right now. So let's add some sound design to kind of give this thing a little more oomph. And let's start with just some basic drum hits. Here are the drum hits that I decided to use to kind of keep the rhythm. And here's everything together. It's still extremely naked, and we want to add a little more everywhere. So we want to add some rises, kind of build up the moment. We want to add some more hits. So here's what we added to kind of build up to the moment. So it's still pretty naked, so we'll add a little more to this. And this is what I just added. A rise is great if you know how to use it the right way. Sometimes people are worried to use them one after the other. As long as it feels right, sounds right, and well, hopefully it does, we'll see. In that case, it does. It's so subtle that it kind of takes us to the point where I cut out the music. So let's add some more, because this part right here, just the guy gasping is a little naked, and poor guy needs something under there. So we just added another rise, and this one's kind of like a guitar just ringing out. So these are already pre-made. I mixed these myself, but these are just my favorites mixed together. So here's the gun cocking. Boom. And I decided to add yet another rise. Can't have too many of them. Generally, you want to stay away from too much sound design, but you want to at least give it some oomph, you know what I'm saying? So here's what we got so far. It's getting there. The end part is a bit naked. Just hearing that sound, it just sounds too compressed because it is from the movie. But in a weird way, it feels like the rhythm of the song that we pulled out. It's got like that super fast, like that synth. You hear that synth? So that's what I chose to accent that. But let's give it a little more beef. Right now I'm adding quite a bit. I'm adding this big guy. Ring out. So rise with a ring out, kind of like a bassy feel. We're adding these two. Rises, you got a high and a low there. And then we're adding this big guy. Just your go-to sub drop. And then we've got just a hit. So right now this is looking pretty good. Let's see how it sounds. Every beat is hit. Every moment is filled, and all the music is standing out where it needs to stand out. So let's listen to every section by itself. So we'll hear the sound effects from the movie. All our sound effects that we just added. Boom, there that. And then our music. It all sounds pretty silly by itself, especially the music, but when you add it all together, it just works. So yeah, this is how I do it. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Thanks, Sean out.